Okay, this is Tom Keating. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a new account with Cognitopia. First, go to cognitopia.com, our website here at the top. You'll see a blue button here that says Start Now. You click on that, and you click on Try for Free. It doesn't matter which of these buttons you click on. Let's go with the single or family user and try for free. You can see I've got a username entered in here, Tom New. And I'm going to enter in an email for that, tom+new@Cognitopia. I'm going to verify that here. And then I'm going to enter a password and a phone number. Okay, and I'm going to enter an age of at least 13 because that is how old you need to be to create your own account on the internet. When I click Next Step, I have some optional questions. I'll go ahead and say that I'm male and that I heard about Cognitopia from a friend. And then I click this button that says Go to your dashboard. Okay, I'm going to save that password, and here I am at my dashboard. Now the thing we're going to focus on here is this set of apps that are available on Cognitopia. And the first thing we're going to do is look at routines. Now routines is a library of task-analyzed activities that just give step-by-step instructions for doing different things. So I click on routines. Now the first thing you notice is that in my routines, I don't have anything because I have a brand new account and haven't created or adopted any routines yet. So this little tutorial walks us through how to adopt a routine from the community collection, because we invite people who use Cognitopia to share their routines with the community. So let's browse the community and see what's in there. Okay, we're in the community routines now, and we have these filters of categories that organize our routines in different ways. We'll go ahead and click on Home, and we can then see that we've got now routines showing below that are just about doing things at home. We're going to click on this one that we see here on cleaning the bathroom because that looks like it could be a really helpful routine, and we've got the advanced version of this routine here. Someone else created this. It was authored by someone who chose to remain anonymous, but it's ours if we want to use it. And we can make it a goal that lets us get reminders about this routine and take data on it over time. We can watch it in a different way. We can view each of these lines in a step-by-step way that chunks the information in a one shot at a time fashion. And we can favorite the routine. And if we favorite the routine, then it becomes our own, and then we go back now to look at my routines and find that now cleaning the bathroom is showing up in our own routines. So it's that easy to get started. We open this, and now we've got it. It's ours. We can use it however we want. Let's do that again, okay? Let's browse the community. Let's go into Home, and let's go a little deeper. We'll go into Eat, and now we are looking for something to make for dinner. And let's look for, we're making breakfast for dinner with French toast. And here you can see you have a routine that, I'm going to close this tutorial for now, but we have images that we can make larger if we want. We can get video instructions for different steps of the routine. And we can do a number of other things. We can print these out into hard copies if we want as well. But let's go back to our there's a hard copy. We just printed one out. Let's favorite this routine, make it our own, and now, just as with the clean the bathroom, we've added another routine to our collection. So you can build up your own collection of routines very quickly in this way, and in the next short video we have, we'll show you how you can create your own routines as well.